1997 Saturn SL. It's only got 60,000 miles on it, guys. He bought it for his wife. He's 80 years old and said, I wanted sound. So what did we do? One. And Jared? We give it sound. Yeah. Don't seem too excited. Give it sound. Yeah. Anyways, factory converter there. And he's a veteran, guys. We always thank our veterans for everything they've done for us. Factory resonator, 1 3/4 pipe. And then we put him the twisted muffler by NETAMI. There it is. Here's the part number, NT1018. There'll be a link in the description. And then we put him a purple chameleon tip out the back 4-inch because he's going to give it to his granddaughter. So he's like, I want to give it to her with a little bit of sound. So we're like, okay, we'll hook you up. So we made it look good for him. Do you like it?
Yes, sir. Yes, I love it.
Yes, sir. And that's Nellie?
That's Miss Allie.
Miss Allie? Hey, girl. She's busy looking at the grass, guys, cutting. Anyways, there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Hey, Miss Nellie. Miss Nellie. She don't care. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
That's clean. Yeah, out of a Saturn SL, guys. Look, there's sound decibels on it. 106.
I'll show you, man. It winds up quick.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Looking car. The chameleon tip shining. Perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You know what? How old are you, sir? 80, right?
80.
That's how we all need to be at 80. Rev it!
Here I go.
Here he goes. She's ready to go too, look. She's ready to ride. Used to jump out of planes, guys. See ya, take care. Beast mode! Enjoy, guys.